In this video I will show you how to get more unlimited gems for the Lonely Survivor. So I've got the Lonely Survivor plus mode APK, which is the mode APK of this game, and in this mode you will be able to get unlimited diamonds for this game. Very easy. So when you open the mode APK and you will click on that diamond icon right here, you will get 10k of the diamonds, and you will be able to click as much as you need. So yeah, that's the easiest way to get unlimited diamonds for the Lonely Survivor, and it's very easy. So this mode is working for both Android and iOS devices, no root or jailbreak is required. And yeah, here's the Lonely Survivor plus mode APK, and I've got it from the bluedeals.app. So if you want to get it, you should go to your browser. You can use any browser and go to this bluedeals.app and find here the Lonely Survivor mode. Click on the game icon and select your platform, Android or iOS. So I have an iOS, I have an iPhone right here, so I will be clicking the iOS button. But if you have an Android, you will be clicking the Android button and wait till it will download it for your device. But I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device, the Lonely Survivor plus. But if you guys have any troubles with downloading, you can always check the how to download video tutorial, which is right here, and you will be able to get any app or game from this list. So thanks for watching, enjoy the Lonely Survivor plus mode APK, enjoy the unlimited diamonds, and bye.